Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. With AI, this quote from Arthur Clarke is starting to prove to be right. Join us as we go through the timeline of artificial intelligence. AI had its beginning in the 1950s, when mathematicians and scientists like Alan Turing started thinking about machines that could solve problems and make decisions. In his paper Computing Machinery and Intelligence, he writes about how people make decisions based on available information. So technically machines could be able to do the same. Turing writes about building and testing intelligent machines. Although this concept was revolutionary, in the beginning it was not possible to put it into practice. In truth, first computers were not able to store information, they only executed commands. In other words, they couldn't remember what they executed in previous steps. The second limitation was the price. Computing was extremely expensive, the lease of a computer costing $200,000 per month. Only a few of the most prestigious universities and big tech companies could afford it. But some years later, in 1956, things advanced. John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky held a historic conference at the Dartmouth Summer Research Project in Chicago. At this conference, Alan Newell, Cliff Shaw and Herbert Simon presented what they called Logic Theorist. It was a program created to simulate how a person would approach a topic. By many it is considered to be the first AI program. Also, at this conference, the term AI was coined. The period between 1957 and 1974 saw significant advances in AI, with improvements in computer speed, storage, accessibility and progress in machine learning algorithms. Early demonstrations showed promise, and leading researchers convinced government agencies to fund AI research. In 1970, Marvin Minsky told Life magazine, "From 3 to 8 years we will have a machine with the general intelligence of an average human being." Despite high expectations and optimism, achieving the goals of natural language processing, abstract thinking, and self-recognition was still a long way off. The AI field experienced a decline in government funding and interest after reports criticized its progress, leading to a period known as the AI winter from 1974 to 1980. It later revived in the 1980s with British government funding, partly to compete with Japan. AI started to become known, and got in public perception with James Cameron's movie The Terminator. However, the field experienced another winter from 1987 to 1993 due to the collapse of the market and reduced government funding. But things started to get better for AI, when in 1997, Deep Blue, IBM's computer, became the first to beat a chess champion. He managed to defeat the Russian Grandmaster Garry Kasparov. After this, AI flourished. In 2009, an autonomous car was created by Google in secrecy. It passed Nevada's self-driving test in 2014. In 2011, Watson, the computer giant's question-answering system, beat the reigning champions at Jeopardy! In the same year, Apple released Siri. The virtual assistant uses a natural language user interface to infer, observe, reply and recommend things. It responds to voice instructions and provides each user with an individualized experience. In 2014, the talking chatbot Eugene Guzman made judges think he was a real human during a Turing test. The bot claimed to be a teenager who spoke English as a second language. This way he was able to sidestep several questions. Although, some experts say that only a third of the judges believed him. In 2016, Hanson Robotics developed Sophia, a humanoid robot. She is regarded as the first citizen robot. Sophia stands out from earlier humanoids thanks to her resemblance to a real person and her capacity for facial expression, picture recognition, and AI-mediated communication. In June 2020, OpenAI introduced the now popular ChatGPT. It is trained on a large corpus of text data, allowing it to generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts and questions. Training data consists of a diverse range of sources, including books, articles, and websites. These are all just a few milestones in the journey of AI. Let us know in the comments about other big moments that you know or remember. In the present, AI is used in almost all crucial domains, such as finance, healthcare, transportation, education, agriculture, manufacturing, and much more. It is a constant presence in our phones, our computers, and our homes, and consequently in our lives. If you liked our video, please support us with a like or share. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.